What happens to mountains of discarded metal inside a massive industrial factory? In this fascinating process, scrap metal begins its transformation from waste material into long, strong metal rods. The process starts with large quantities of mixed metal scrap. Pieces of discarded metal are collected and moved toward the high-temperature processing area, where intense heat will completely change their form. Inside the furnace, the metal is exposed to extreme heat. As the temperature rises, the solid scrap gradually melts into a glowing pool of molten metal. The flames and sparks show just how intense this stage of the process is. The molten metal is carefully transferred through the production system. At this stage, everything is incredibly hot, and the glowing material must be controlled as it moves through the next part of the operation. The hot metal is then formed into a continuous piece and guided forward. What started as scattered scrap is now becoming a long, red-hot metal section ready for further shaping. Now comes one of the most impressive stages. The glowing metal passes through a series of powerful rollers. With each pass, its shape becomes more refined, while the material continues moving through the production line. The transformation continues as the hot metal is drawn and shaped through the rolling equipment. The bright orange surface reveals just how much heat remains in the material during this stage. Workers monitor and handle the production process as the newly formed metal continues along the line. The long sections become increasingly uniform as they move through the machinery. Finally, the finished metal rods are gathered and organized for storage and handling. From piles of scrap metal to long, usable rods, this factory demonstrates a remarkable industrial transformation, turning discarded metal into a valuable finished product.